Hi guys, I'm back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove, refresh, and retip your client's extensions. So these are virgin extensions, so they can be reused. The ends just got really thin, so here I am taking off the old beads, and I'm going to show you how to thicken them up. So we're going to take 2 strands, and we're going to put them together. But we're going to take out some of the weight at the top so that it's thick all the way down. So see how the ends are really thin? First we're gonna cut the top. So I'm cutting off the old tips, and what I'm gonna do is take it like about a quarter or halfway down, and I'm gonna pinch the 2 strands, and then I'm gonna pull from the top gently and pull out some of those top hairs. Those root hairs in the extensions are just extra weight and extra bulk. So you can take out as much as you want until your tips are thin enough for your beads. That way you're going to have the long hair, all the long hairs are going to be the same length, and we're going to take out some of that old hair at the top. You can do this before you put them in the first time too if you want, if you're retipping or tipping your own hairs. So see, we're taking out all that loose hair at the top, which is just extra bulk, and it's going to make the tips a little thinner so they can fit in the beads, and it's also going to make the hairs long all the way down. Make sure where you pinch it in the middle with your, which would be my left hand, you're holding it pretty tight. And now I'm just putting some new glue on the top to retip them. And yes, I do offer this service. If you have old hair and you want it retipped and refreshed, you can message me. And there's your new tip, your new strand that's thick all the way down, and take out some of that old root hair. There's another strand. These are 2. They just get really thin at the ends from shedding and stuff and regular wear and brushing. We're going to take them again. There's the difference between the ends and the top, or the roots and the ends. See how much thicker it is at the root? So we're going to do this again. We're going to cut the tips. We're going to pinch with our left hand and pull with our right hand, gently on the top. And it's going to take out all that loose hair. So we're just going to keep doing this with all our strands. You can also get new hair and add it to make it a little thicker. Trim it, glue the tips, and then do the next one. Just keep doing this all the way down. And make sure your glue goes all the way through. Roll the tip and cut the top. And there you have a nice thick strand all the way down. And your ends aren't really thin and flimsy. Get rid of that hair, the root bulk is what I call it. And we're going to do it again. So here I took the bundle, I washed, and now I'm blow drying it. I haven't made a video in a while, so I filmed it the wrong way. That's why it's kind of thin, but I'll make another one where you can actually see it better. But I dry the hair, put a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and you'll see it's perfectly ready to reinstall. Here I just comb it out, I trim the ends, and you can see the ends are nice and full now. You'll see in a second the difference between the hair that is done and the hair that isn't done yet. See how nice and silky that hair is? That's virgin hair. It can be lightened. If you're interested in the hair, I also have that. You can message me. This is hair that was just taken out of the client's head. You can see it's still good quality and it's still held up really well. Just comb it through. Just needs a wash and a refresh, and it'll turn out like the bundle on the right. Thanks again for watching. Hope you liked it, and let me know if there's anything else you want to see. I'll make some more videos.